presidents to represent me. I'm out for presidents to represent me. I'm out for presidents to represent me.
UB. That's right. Trying to rally around common sense, but my mind is zigzagging. I blame it on myself cause I'm just hearing it picking on the aspects of my life I would like to see disappear. When I get the Rolls Royce, want somebody to hear my voice, no choice to flash. I'm part of the constellation, I'm a star of probation. Cause don't ever forget, even the sun will stop shining, he's preventing. Tell me what is success when you're convinced you're the best. I got the answer, it's a state of mind. Death is a state of mind, cause I still hear Tupac and Biggie rhyme. Hard to grasp the notion that peace can be your locomotion, cause we often associate violence with the solution. So words are my bullets, in my mouth it's the trigger. Seen the devil once, that bitch wanted me to kiss her. I'm getting spoiled by life every day, trust me I would've fucked her. Random, no condom, what a fucking tandem. On top of that, on orgasm, Clinton Memoriam, American freedom symbolized through this rhythm. Poetry to compliment, y'all thought a nigga was dumb, but sound is more like the coke and the words like rum. The perfect Mad James and Wade, no bitch and one. No rings, just a crown, but for them they won. Victory is only relevant to the unsung. They wanted a war chant, I had no choice to mum. I'm out the dead fucking president to represent me. I'm talking Kennedy or even Lyndon B. I want my own currency, I just want them to see. I'm out the dead fucking president to represent me. I'm talking Kennedy or even Lyndon B. I want my own currency, I just want them to see. Quick on a mallet, the judgment is violent. This message errant, going on a crusade. I need a pennant and a pennant from the popular mindset. I'm writing a missive with the power of missile, capturing attention like a whistle. But as I watch it fizzle, I realize I can't do shit against the mass. Sad to know we never look in the past. Armstrong moonwalking, I've seen that dancing while MJ was dying. Shit was predictable, just when you get too comfortable and it's like the unacceptable. It's terrible, it reminded just to show y'all how they cruel. So I wrote this verse just to show y'all how they frugal. No touchdown, they field goal, back to a field roll. Program to score goals, slave of the payroll. The light is near but we have steel curtains. Chuck Noll, I'm on the defensive cause I had trust in us, but all we seem to focus on is lust. So consider that 5-star stripper a must. With all the fire in my eyes, should've seen that we end up in dust, and our voices on the cusp that end up in rust. This is a flow for the ages, word swag rages, I'm burning pages, dream sleepy chases, wish my eyes closed. This is the realest shit I ever wrote, put me on quote. Not saying it's the illest, but this is dope for hope. It provokes like a rope, I'm out the
every old presidents to represent me. Every old presidents to represent me.
I'm out the
every old presidents to represent me.
Hey,
every old presidents to represent me.
I'm out the
presidents to represent me.
I'm out the dead fucking president to represent me. I'm talking Kennedy or even Lyndon B. I want my own currency, I just want them to see. Hey, UB. That's right.
Presidents to represent me.